Question 16a. Sketch the graph of y equals x cubed. If you don't remember this, just try to picture what the sequence would look like in your head. 1, 0 is going to start at 0 because 0 times 0 times 0. 1 times 1 times 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and that's much higher. 3 times 8 is much higher. So we get, at the beginning of this, a very quick, rapidly rising curve. The inverse of this can be said is true when you start looking at the negative values of x, because negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, then negative 8, then negative 27. So it gives us this rotationally symmetrical curve, x cubed. For 16b, sketch the graph of y equals x squared plus 3. Same thing, you can try to imagine what it would look like. X squared, well 0 times 0 is 0. 1 squared, 2 squared. It goes up a little bit slower than this one, but negative numbers also give us a positive result. So we're going to end up with this U-shaped parabola. Difference being that plus 3 means that, well, 0 squared plus 3, it's not going to be on 0, it's going to be a little bit higher up. So we want a U-shaped parabola that crosses the y-axis somewhere like that. Question 16c, sketch the graph of y equals 1 divided by x. Now, this is where the fun games come in, because 1 divided by nothing you cannot do. Division by 0 is impossible. 1 divided by 1 is 1. Now, normally we would have that quite low, but 1 divided by 2 is even smaller. So I would suggest for this one that we assume 1 is somewhere near the top, and each time it's going to go down by half as little each step. So not quite on the line. You want it coming down and curving like this. It will never quite equal 0 because it's always going to be 1 divided by something. Same thing will happen if you do divide by a negative. You can't have anything on 0, but 1 divided by negative 1 will start here, get smaller, and give you this rotated curve.